For measurement, so we do a lot of omniture tagging, but we can leverage any number of different web analytics vendors that we've actually used. Right now we use that. We looked at web trends. I assume that's what we're talking about. So for measuring usage and utilization, we definitely have tools like that. On the data warehousing side, again, we've actually created a pretty significant Hadoop cluster to capture all that information and start doing some analytics around that, as well as traditional data warehousing. So even just looking at Android, for example, there are 40 different versions of Android. So I don't think anybody has really solved this problem. So I'll just say ACK to begin with. You've got H.264 is a video format that's out there. We've got all kinds of different things happening within Flash players, HTML5 players, all kinds of stuff like that. So I think right now, back to the trend that's out there, we're trying to make good decisions in the top, for us anyway, in the top markets and top usages. For us and kids, iOS devices are that's it. I mean, with kids, that's what they get. They get their mom and dad's iPhones and iPads and things like that. So we're really trying to hit that hard. But Android is, coming on surging strong. So what we're trying to do is make a decent. You can't test it all. You can't do all the form factors. You can't do every single OS. You can't use every single player. You've got to essentially, right now, look at what's a reasonable market-driving trend until we can start sorting out reasonable test harnesses to be able to do that. And more of those are coming out. So, we were just doing some real interesting front-end web testing, and sort of building out some test harnesses that would actually leverage a series of networks across the U.S. So we wouldn't just test the device. We'd actually test the market. How does this website load in a different market, Los Angeles versus Atlanta? And there are stunning differences based on bandwidth and usage utilization. So it's even more complex than you asked, so thank you.